don't need it.
Brother, let me tell you so. For them kind of information you ask for, let me tell you this. And a monkey money for them somewhere. The money the way you're telling me about up a zoo you have to go get that. You don't link somebody else, brother. You not upon the foolishness. Eh? Alright. Now man, when you top up the thing then you call me forward. Yeah man, proper. Man, feed idiot, bro. Think how amateur you deal with?
In the round there. You sit on them laptop.
Yeah man, I think spot that.
As far as we say, nobody not really about the place. Hey, numbers. Pick him up and carry him around the car.
So nice of you to pay us a visit.
Mr. Mullins. Who may I be your boss?
Suffering from amnesia? I hope that's not long lasting. How's your dental plan?
What me do now? But me leave that way of life there now.
You took a wrong turn, obviously, if you thought you left that way of life. Take one of those. See if it helps. Don't want to ask for no water. Swallow that dry.